New Tesla Model Y seems to be gaining momentum in China. Tesla China seems to be accelerating its new Model Y ramp. New Model Y transition. New vehicle registrations for the Model Y, Tesla China's strongest seller, have been quite low in the first 2 months of 2025. This was largely due to Tesla China transitioning Gigafactory Shanghai for the production of the new Model Y. Amidst these efforts, Tesla China evidently focused on clearing its inventory of Model Y Classic units. That is, at least, until late February, when the first deliveries of the new Model Y were held across China. Since then, new Model Y registrations seem to be rising, with recent estimates suggesting that Tesla China saw 8,700 registrations in the week ending March 9th, a notable increase from the 6,700 from the previous week, as noted in a Sina Finance report. Tesla China sold 8,700 Model Ys last week, up from 6,700 2 weeks ago. Strong interest. Other local reports have suggested that the new Model Y has been seeing strong interest among car buyers in the country. As per 36KR, in a report earlier this month, Tesla staff have hinted that they received about 200,000 orders for the revamped all-electric crossover since it was announced domestically in January. If such estimates prove accurate, it could suggest that the new Model Y may reach impressive sales figures in China's domestic market this March, and perhaps in the coming quarters. Tesla China's 2025 sales so far. Figures from the CPCA have shown that Tesla China sold 30,688 vehicles wholesale in February 2025, a 51.47% decline from January's 63,238, and a 49.16% slide from the 60,365 vehicles that were sold wholesale in February 2024. Combined January-February 2025 sales for Tesla China currently stand at 93,926 units wholesale, as per a CNEV Post report. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.